Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into how to find and use CapCut templates on your PC. And it's super simple. Step 1. Open your browser. Start by launching your web browser like Google Chrome, because CapCut templates aren't accessible directly through the desktop app. Just head to CapCut.com. Once you're on the website, look to the top left corner and click on Templates. Here you'll find a wide selection of templates across categories like TikTok, business, Larry's fitness, memes, and more. While you can't search for specific templates just yet, there are plenty to explore by simple scrolling. When you find a template you like, click on it to open a preview window. You'll see details like the number of required clips, aspect ratio, and how many times it's been used. If it's first you need, click Use the template. This opens up the CapCut web editor, where you can add or replace image and video clips, import your own media, tweak everything to match your style. Once you're happy with the final result, click Export button and save your editor video to your computer. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.